Hello, everyone. Today, we will begin with our first topic, which is phonetics, the study of human speech sounds. In the world, there are approximately 7,000 languages which exist either in oral or written form, or both. However, all these languages have originated from a very limited set of only 107 sounds, which can physiologically be produced with the help of human speech organs. We can find these 107 sounds listed in the International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA chart, which looks something like this. You can see on the screen a number of symbols, each of which represents a different sound used in human speech. However, we will not cover the description and explanation of all of these sounds in the video, but limit ourselves to the study of only those sounds which are used in the English language. We will begin first with the consonant sounds. Consonants are simply those sounds, the articulation or production of which require some amount of obstruction or modification in the path of air stream emerging out of the windpipe or trachea. In the following videos, we will learn about these modifications in detail, but as of now, we will simply stick to the basic task of identifying phonetic symbols and their respective sounds. But before we begin, we would like to tell you that for easier comprehension and study purposes, the consonants are always reduced along with the vowel sound at the end. For example, the accurate articulation of the first phonetic symbol would be just, and that of the second one would be. You can hear for yourself how difficult it is to even differentiate between the two sounds. Hence, in order to avoid such confusion, we add the vowel a at the end of consonants. Having said that, we will begin with our first consonant sound. So, the first sound on our list is the consonant p, as in the word spoon and the word pull. The second sound is the sound b, as in bit and bill. The third one is the sound t, as in stool and time. The fourth is the sound d, as in did or as in the word dress. The fifth one is the sound k, as in school, and k, as in the word kite. The next one is the sound g, as in goose and good. The seventh one is the sound ch, as in the word cheap or the word child. The next one is the sound j. You can see that there are two different symbols used for the same sound, and one is free to use either of them while transcribing words into their phonetic forms. So the sound j, as in June or as in the word jam. The next sound is the sound m, as in mean or mouse. The tenth one is the sound n, as in the word need or nice. Now, the 11th one is a little tricky, so I would request all of you to pay very close attention. Now, when you pronounce the word finger slowly, you will realize that after the initial sounds f and e, you come across the third sound, which is pronounced something like this: ing. I will pronounce it once again: ing. Now, that is your 11th sound, which can be seen in words like finger or in words like ring. The 12th one is the consonant f, as in the word feel or fish. The 13th one is v, as in the word vine or the word wheel. Moving on to the 14th one, the symbol looks like a theta symbol, which you might have come across in mathematics. And the sound is pronounced as th, as in the word three or the word thief. The 15th one is the sound the, as in the word the itself, or this, or the word them. The 16th is the sound s, as in seen or sin. The 17th is the sound z, as in the word zoo or zero. Moving on, we have the 19th one, which is pronounced as sh. I will pronounce it once again. It is pronounced as sh, as in sheet or ship. The 20th one is a combination of your sounds s and z, and it is pronounced in the following manner: j. I will pronounce it once again: j, as in the words leisure, measure, pleasure, etc. The 21st one is the sound h, as in heat or hen. The next one is the sound l, as in leave or life. Following that is the sound r, as in rest or repeat. The 24th one is the sound y, as in yeast or yes. And finally, the last one is the sound v, as in wheat or weight, or the word white.